Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Hello everyone. This is Kamrun Nahar, Assistant Professor, Greenfield School and College, Mirpur, Dhaka. Dear students of English 8 English version, how are you? I hope you are well and studying regularly. Today is from chapter 13, lecture 6. Okay. First one, water. Water is an essential nutrient for our livelihood, okay. Our body contain 60 to 70% water. Our body contain 60 to 70% water, okay. In the formation of the body, the role of water is very much important, okay. The water remains inside and outside the cells of bones, flesh, skin, your nails, teeth, etc. Okay. I repeat, the water remain inside and outside. Okay, your inside and outside the cells of bones, flesh, mangsho, skin, nails, teeth, etc. Okay. Almost all food contains water. Some foods contain water, okay, but we meet our demands by drinking water separately. We demand our demand by drinking water separately. Apart from body formation, water controls all the internal activities of the body, okay. Body formation and water controls all the internal activities of the body. Without water, no chemical reaction can take place. Okay, without water, no chemical reaction. Water acts as solvent in the body. Water acts as solvent. Okay, solvent. Water acts as solvent in the body. Different mineral salt remain dissolved in water. Okay, in the water there are different mineral salts. So, different mineral salts remain dissolved in water. The digestion of food goes on in presence of water. Okay, without water, your food cannot digest it. Okay, the digestion of food goes on in presence of water. Again, the food nutrients get absorbed in the body while they remain dissolved in water. Okay, again the food nutrition get absorbed in the body while they remain dissolved in water. Then functions of water. Then function. Water is responsible for blood circulation. Your blood circulation. Blood circulation. Okay. Water is responsible for blood circulation and thermal regulation. তোমার দেহের তাপমাত্রা, হ্যাঁ, blood circulation and thermal regulation. Okay, and thermal regulation. So first one, the function is water is responsible for your blood circulation and thermal regulation of the body. Then number 2, water release waste material. Okay, water releases your body from your body waste materials. Okay, waste materials from the body. Example, your waste material is urine. Okay, your waste material is urine and sweats. Okay, ঘাম আর ইউরিন মানে তো জানোই মূত্র. So water release waste material from the body such as urine and sweats. When cholera and diarrhea occur, a great quantity of water is released through defecation and vomit. Okay, তোমার বমির মাধ্যমে এবং টয়লেটের মাধ্যমে কি হয়, a great quantity of water is released through defecation and vomit. If cholera or diarrhea occurs, the patient should be given oral saline, okay, oral saline or water salt beverage like sharbat. It is the easiest treatment for cholera or diarrhea. Okay, this is the easiest treatment, that is oral saline. Okay, oral saline. Besides International Center for Diarrhea, ICDDRB. This is the name of a institution. That full meaning is Internal Center for, full meaning is Internal Center, ACNTER, Internal Center for Diarrhea, DIARRHOEAL. একটু see the diarrhea spelling. Okay, Internal Center for Diarrhea Disease, ACAC, Disease Research of Bangladesh. Okay, this is the full meaning of ICDDRB, Research of Bangladesh. Okay, so this question is very very important. What is the full meaning is ICDDRB? Okay, so internal, I internal, C for center, for D for diarrhea and D for disease, R for research, B for Bangladesh. So Internal Center for Diarrhea Disease Research of Bangladesh. This is the full meaning of ICDDRB. ICDDRB has produced packet oral saline for this disease. Okay, it is mixed with water and then given to the patient to drink. It is a easily process. Okay, recently a saline named Comsaline. Okay, do you know Comsaline? Comsaline is another saline that is used for diarrhea and cholera patient. Okay, Comsaline has been invented. This saline is made up of 1 liter water. Okay, this is Bengali name is Shosho saline. Okay, Shosho saline. This saline is made up of 1 liter water. 1 liter water, 50 gram rice. Okay, rice powder. 50 gram rice powder and a pinch of salt. A pinch of salt, SLT. Okay, this is the combination of Comsaline. Then go to dryness. Dryness means shushkota. Okay, if there is a fall in the quantity of water in the body, the cells experience shortage of water. When the cell water is produced, one gets very thirsty. Okay, the blood pressure falls, blood circulation and digestion process are hindered. Okay, when your shortage of water in your body, so blood pressure falls and blood circulation and digestion process are hindered. The body loses weight if there is water shortage. Body loses weight means your cell will be dried. Okay, shortage and muscles and nerve cells become weakened. If the water level of the body goes below 20%, how many percent? 20%. Okay, if the water level of the body goes below 20%, the normal body function hampered. Okay, then below the 20%, normal body function hampered. Normal body function, normal body function hampered. Okay, hampered. The patient gets faint, অচেতন হয়ে যায়, and even may run the risk of death, এমনকি মৃত্যুও হতে পারে. Okay, this is dryness. Then go to roughage. Roughage mean dietary fiber. Okay, roughage is the part of cereal. Roughage is the part of cereal, grains, fruits and vegetables which is not digested. Okay, it passes almost unchanged through the gut, অন্ত্রের মধ্যে. Okay, it passes almost unchanged through the gut. it is not a nutrition element. Okay, roughage is not a nutrition element, not a nutrition element, not a nutrition element, but it is very essential to maintain a sound health. Okay, a sound health. Roughage is gains, roughage in grains is called bran. Okay, roughage in grain is called bran. Bran means like bhushi, tush. Okay, bran. So roughage in grains is called bran. Okay, roughage in fruits and vegetables is the cellulose walls of plant cell. Okay, like outermost cellular walls. Cellulose walls of plant cell. We get roughage from fiber foods. Okay, then go to food selection. Food selection. Okay, food selection. The foods which meet the demand of the calorie of the body, maintain the growth and formation of tissue cells, and control the metabolic activities of the body is called balanced diet. You know, what is balanced diet. Therefore, by balanced food, we mean the correct amount of food and the correct proportion of each. How many types? 6 types of food that meet the demand of the body of a particular person. Okay, 6 parts or 6 element. Therefore, by balanced food, we mean the correct amount. Okay, correct amount of food and correct proportion of each type of elements. Okay, these are 6 element type of food that meet the demand of the body of a particular person. The necessary nutrition elements of food remain in a specific quantity in a balanced diet depending on age, okay, age, sex and physical condition. Depending. Okay, so the necessary nutrition elements of food remain in a specific quantity in a balanced diet depending on your age, how many age, sex, male or female, and physical condition, workload, okay, etc. A balanced diet and physical condition and workload. Okay, workload. ওয়ার্কলস মিন একজন রিক্সাওয়ালা কিন্তু তোমার থেকে বেশি খাবে, ওকে, কারণ সে পরিশ্রম করছে। এ ব্যালেন্স ডায়েট চার্ট শুড বি মেড ফলোয়িং সাম ইনস্ট্রাকশন সাচ এস ইন এভরি সিঙ্গেল মিল অফ দ্য ডে দ্য ইনক্লুশন অফ 6 ফুড এলিমেন্ট ইনক্লুডিং প্রোটিন, কার্বোহাইড্রেট অ্যান্ড ফ্যাট, ইট ইজ মাস্ট। ওকে, protein, carbohydrates, DRATS, protein, carbohydrates and fats. This is must. In every single meal of the day is inclusion. Okay, inclusion of 6 food elements including protein, carbohydrate and fats should be confirmed. Okay, then number two, food from each group has to be supplied. Food from each group has to be supplied based on age, sex and occupation. Okay, occupation. আগেই বলেছি একজন রিক্সাওয়ালা কিন্তু তোমার থেকে বেশি খাবে কারণ সে অনেক পরিশ্রম করছে। Then number 3, out of total daily intake of calorie, intake of calorie from carbohydrates 60 to 70%, carbohydrates 60 to 70% carbohydrate, 10% protein and 30 to 40% from fat, 32% from fat. This is the portion. Okay, so this portion is 60 to 70% carbohydrate, 10% protein and 30 to 40% fat. Okay, then go to list of balanced diet. Okay, list of balanced diets. Following some guidelines, we can make the list of balanced diet. For example, firstly, the list has to be made based on the understanding that the requirements of different food elements vary according to age, occupation and physical status of a particular person. প্রত্যেকের কিন্তু খাদ্যের এটা আলাদা হবে, হ্যাঁ, অফ এ পার্টিকুলার পারসন। ওকে, দ্য ডেইলি রিকোয়ার্ড টোটাল এনার্জি শুড বি এনশিওর্ড অ্যাকর্ডিং টু দ্য নিডেড অফ ওয়ান্স বডি। ওকে, এবং প্রত্যেকের কিন্তু আলাদা এটা, হ্যাঁ, নিডেড। I repeat, the daily required total energy should be ensured according to the needed of one's body. The food should contain correct proteins. Okay, food should contain correct protein needed for body formation and the preventing of its decay. Okay, the selection of protein is needed. The food should contain correct protein needed for body formation and the prevention of its decay. Number 4, ensure the presence of appropriate vitamin, mineral salt and water in food. Okay, ensure the presence of vitamin, mineral salt and water is another important. First important is your carbohydrate, protein and fat, and then the important is vitamin, mineral salt and water. To acquire knowledge about nutrition value and classification of food, first we have to select food from the main divisions of food. There should be variety in food selection. প্রতিদিন কিন্তু এক খাওয়া রাখলে সেটা খেতে ভালো লাগবে না। ওকে, সেই জন্য কী করতে হবে, শুড বি ভ্যারাইটি ইন ফুড সিলেকশন। ওকে, দেয়ার শুড বি ভ্যারাইটি ইন ফুড সিলেকশন। টু অ্যাকোয়ার নলেজ অ্যাবাউট নিউট্রিশন ভ্যালু অ্যান্ড ক্লাসিফিকেশন অফ ফুড, first we have to select food from the main division of food. There should be variety in food selection. Number 6, there should be awareness about food habit while selecting food. Okay. Number 7, the food list has to be prepared matching with the financial ability. Okay, আমার ফাইন্যান্সিয়াল অ্যাবিলিটি নেই, আমি কি সেই খাওয়া ফুড ইয়েতে রাখতে পারবো ফুড চার্টে? নো, the food list has to be prepared matching with the financial ability of an individual and a family as well. যেটা আমি কিনতে পারবো না সেটা আমি খাদ্য তালিকায় রাখবো না। While preparing the list, season and weather condition should be taken into consideration. নির্বাচনের সময় কি করতে হবে, তোমাকে ওয়েদার এবং কন্ডিশন, আমি এমন একটা শীতকালে যদি আমি আম সিলেক্ট করি সেটাকে আমি খেতে পারবো না। Then while preparing the list, season and weather condition should be taken into consideration. Okay, here chart of balanced diet, you saw that, please see the figure here. Chart of balanced diet, 3 groups. Okay, 3 groups here. Energy producing food, energy producing food. Okay, here growth related food, growth related food. Okay, and here disease preventing food. Okay, you disease preventing food, here is disease preventing food. Okay, first one, energy producing food, well, okay, well, ghee, egg yolk, your liver. Okay, liver, butter, nuts, etc. Okay, these are energy producing food. Okay, and some are rice, bread, sugar. These also suji, potato, sweet potato, puffed rice. Okay, puffed rice and halwa, etc. Growth related food is egg. Growth related food, you know that egg, milk, okay, and milk product, milk product means paesh, finni, okay, fish and meat, okay. Then disease preventing food, first one seasonal fruits, okay, seasonal fruits, মৌসুমি ফলমূল যেটা সবসময় খাওয়া উচিত, fruits, হ্যাঁ, seasonal fruits. Then green and yellow vegetables and fruit, green and yellow vegetables and fruits, okay. So this is disease preventing food. So our food can be divided 3 categories. First one, energy producing, okay, first one energy producing food, second one growth related food, and third one disease preventing food, okay. These are 3 category of our food. So first one, what is water and function of water, then full meaning of ICDDRB, and second one, what is dryness, what is roughage, okay, then food selection and list of balanced diet, okay. These are the lessons from today, and your homework is list of balanced diet, okay. What is roughage and list of balanced diet, this is your homework, okay. Till then, Allah Hafiz, okay.